Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be taking down Christmas and cleaning up a little bit. I have a new YouTube device. I got a microphone for my videos and I think it sounds so much better. You'll have to let me know what you think in the description box. But if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and check out my videos. And if you have been here for a while, thank you again for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas. So to start, I'm just taking down the tree, the most dreaded part of it all. And I just take off all the ornaments, all the picks, all together at one time so that I have everything organized and I can put everything back in the bins organized, I guess. And most of my ornaments that are clear or silver, they are glass, and so I do like to take extra care of those, and I take those off last. I really loved these ornaments this year, and I used them last year. I can't see myself not using them. I do love red and white and like wood for Christmas. I've said that before, but next year I think I want to add some hunter green. I've saw a lot of that this season, and unfortunately by the time I went to buy things, everything was sold out. So I think I might try that next year. We'll see. I think I can still use the glass ornaments, the gray, or not gray, I guess it's mercury glass, and then the clear glass, and the holographic, I guess is how you say it. So the ones that I'm going to be putting in this box, I think I could use next year along with that theme. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just dreaming of what next year might look like. So you saw me put all of the non-breakable in this tub, but I also put the breakables back in their boxes and in a tub together so that nothing gets broken. And the most dreaded part of everything is getting the tree to fit back in the box. Am I right? If you struggle with that, give this video a thumbs up and comment and let me know in the description. That's why I do really love my King of Christmas tree, because it comes with a bag, and it's a huge bag and it works perfectly. But this cute tree from Lowe's does not, so I have to fit it back in the box every year. I really love using fresh greenery, but it is a mess once it's dried. So I just have a black garbage bag here that my husband brought, and I just stuff it in there. But you'll see in just a second how incredibly dirty it makes everything. You're watching me now take off the command hooks that I use to hang up the stockings, and I didn't think command hooks were supposed to peel paint, but they did on my mantle, so I'm gonna have to touch that up. That's super frustrating, but yeah, what do you do? thieves cleaner here to wipe everything down, just to get, I vacuumed everything, but there's still a little bit of dirt, so I just wanted to get everything clean. I wiped down the mantle, and then I wiped down the little seating area because it was a little dusty. I never showed you guys this spot because it never looked fine. As you can see, it's just a mess. But I did decorate the top of my buffet table for Christmas, just super simple. And I wanted to show you my cute gingerbread house before I threw it away. We always have a gingerbread party and it was fun. I didn't win though this year. I wanted to share two things with you in this video. I got these candlesticks for Christmas and I love them and I'm glad to have them. They're from Target. I'll have them linked in the description box if you want to check them out, but they are metal and I think that I'll be able to use them all year round. So for my winter mantle, I'm going to just do something very simplistic. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is this watercolored print that my niece did. I'm gonna have her Instagram linked in the description. I'd love if you guys would go and support her. She does these family portraits for only $25, such a still. And I can't wait to display this in my house and possibly gift some for upcoming holidays or birthdays. I think they are so cute and just priceless, I think. I should have shown you guys it before, but I wasn't even thinking. I kind of rearranged a little bit. Let me show you. I wanted the fireplace to be more of a focal point. It's just not centered in the room, so it makes arranging furniture hard. And I have all of my pillows I'm washing the covers for, and I'll put those back on, but I moved the chairs over in front of the window instead of in front of the fireplace, which I'm trying to decide if I like or not. I can't decide. It just looks silly. It's not symmetrical, so I think that's what's throwing me off. But I do like that I can see the fireplace. And then I moved my buffet table over behind the couch over there instead of on this wall right here. There really wasn't a lot of room between here and over here. There's just a little bit more room, not a ton. But once we tear down this wall right here, you can see, it's gonna open it up a lot more, and I'm going to be getting a different kind of couch because this sectional just does not work in this space. It's just way too big, but it's working for right now. Because I don't really know what I want quite yet, and I obviously don't want to buy new until everything is done. But like I said, I'm going to decorate that over there. Still lots of decorating to do, but right now we're just cleaning and making sure everything looks clean and simple. I just added my plants back over there. Like I said, I don't know if they're going to stay or not, but they work for now. And then yeah, super fast. Well, I mean, it's taken me all day, but for you guys it's going to be super fast. Don't forget to go check out my niece's Instagram and give it a follow if you can. And I will be back soon with a new video. So if you enjoyed this clean with me, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. A lot of you that watch aren't subscribed, so please subscribe. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a happy new year.